Released in 2018 with Apple A12 Bionic chip and 3 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, colors came back to iPhones after years with iPhone XR. It was one of the most successful devices of 2018. No wonder Apple still officially sells this. And with the implementation of iOS 15, iPhone XR gets a fresh new life. Hi everyone, Pradeep here from TGT and welcome to another video. iOS 15 and iPhone XR, let's talk about that. The first thing to notice is an all-new Hello screen when the device boots up for the first time after you install iOS 15. The notification panel now looks much cleaner with iOS 15. Finally, Apple got it right about the notification grouping. The new Do Not Disturb icon also looks a bit different here. The new focus feature is here. This is how the new panel looks like. You can stay focused on what's important by selecting a preset option, or you can personalize it as you like. Also, you can now share it across all your devices at the same time. The Magnifier app is now available in the home screen directly. Previously, you had to enable it from the accessibility option. When you connect the AirPods, there is a pop-up for Announce Calls and Notifications feature, where Siri can announce and respond to notifications in some apps just by your voice. The new mail privacy feature is also available, where you can protect mail activity by hiding IP addresses and privately load all remote contents. The new Stocks app comes with some new design, business news, and you can view your stocks and news across all the devices by iCloud sharing. The iOS Translate app has been updated with conversation mode and on-device mode by downloading languages and do the translate directly from the device. Also, you can enable or disable share audio recordings to improve Siri and dictation. The Messages app has been updated as well. The shared features are here in Messages. You can select apps manually that can access the messages to see the content shared by your friends. As you can see, the interface of send and receive messages now looks a bit different. The multiple image grouping looks attractive. You can scroll down multiple images with ease and can also expand the menu to see all the images at the same time. It's really cool. The FaceTime icon is now at the top right corner, and one tap to go to contact is also available. The live text feature is here. As you can see, this iPhone XR running iOS 15 can read the text on the screen. Also, it can read a text from an image as well, so it is not missing out anything here. Also, the FaceTime application on iPhone XR is getting all the new features. As you can see, the all new layout is available. The Create Link feature is also here. Different audio isolations, video modes, landscape video, and SharePlay is also available for iPhone XR. The Safari browser got a complete redesign as well. In the new layout, the address bar is at the bottom of your screen. As you can see, there is a nice little animation as you scroll up and down on a web page. You can add or can browse to different tabs just like this. The new layout looks really fantastic. Also, you can switch between the tabs just swiping left to right or right to left just like this. The new Safari app runs really smooth in iPhone XR. The Music app has been updated. All the new features of Apple Music are coming to iPhone XR. As you can see, the Apple Digital Master is already here from iOS 14.6. Dolby Atmos, Spatial Audio, and Apple Music Lossless is also coming, and you'll be able to experience it when it is available in your region. The Apple Weather app got a redesign as well. The interface looks different. Lots of new parameters has been added to provide you in-depth focus of the weather in your region. Also, you can access a thematic heat map within the weather application as well. There are some new additions to the Reminders app as well. Organization with tags, optimization with smart listing, and easy deletion of completed reminders are here. So lots of new features, and you can dig in and find something more. Do share it in the comment section below what else you found out. Now let's talk about some issues and performance. As this is a developer beta, so there are bound to be some resprings while you run this device for your day-to-day task. So be prepared for that if you are installing this one. And according to Apple, there are some known issues as well, which is understandable. One of these is an issue with the Wi-Fi signal. When you put your device on standby for a long period of time and then pick it up, sometime you might see that it has been disconnected from the Wi-Fi network. This is a very common issue and definitely Apple will solve it in future betas. Second is the battery life. Well, I know iPhone XR has a pretty good battery capacity, and you might wonder, how can I complain about the iPhone XR battery life? Users with a brand new iPhone XR might not experience it, but anyone with a 3-year-old iPhone XR like this one and battery capacity around this much might feel the difference. With the implementation of widgets in iOS 14, the iPhone XR battery life took a beating. This is the same issue that continues with iOS 15 here. So if this is your main device, then using 3 to 4 widgets in the home screen is okay, but anything more than that and you can feel the difference in battery life. Also, with this beta so far, the standby battery life is not that great. Of course, it will improve over time, but performance wise, I have to say it is just fantastic. It runs so smooth with developer beta 1. Apart from some hiccups here and there, the third-party apps also runs smoothly. Now, if you're interested about the benchmark scores, here it is. It's 1109 for the single core and 2396 for the multi-core, which is already better than the iOS 14 so far, and it reflects in the device performance as well. So now the question is, should you install? Well, absolutely not if this is your primary device. Mainly with banking apps and UPI or other payments app will encounter issues, at least here in India. Also, as this is in the developer stage, the second beta might be worse than this. We do not know it yet, so don't risk your primary device. If you have a secondary device and if you have a developer account, then you can try it, but normal users should at least wait till the first public beta, which is coming up in July. At this point of time, Apple usually stays in a 2-week cycle, so we might see the developer beta 2 in next week or so. That's it guys, thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.